Assalamualaikum, I am 𝗪𝗲𝗏. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to install WordPress on local server or local host. First of all, open your browser and search WordPress. Open the first link. Now scroll down and click the download button. Once the download is complete, copy the zip file and paste it into the HTML folder. Now extract the zip file and open it. Now bring the internal folder to the HTML folder and rename it. Now open the terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T together and enter the command to access the file. I will give you the following command text in the description box. After giving the command, go back to the browser and search localhost php_myadmin. Now log in and create a new database with the name open a new tab in the browser and search localhost, enter your file name and // and run the installation with all the necessary data. That's all for today. Subscribe my channel for more.